first clip of this video, so I'm gonna try to recreate it. This is the room I'm reviewing. Isn't it so ugly? Just kidding. Okay, so basically that room was like okay at first when it was like first existing. Then my brother during quarantine decided that he was going to change his room to that room, and he shoved a bunch of stuff in it. There was like a desk in it. He had 2 TVs in like that one small room, which was really annoying. It was just way too crowded. It really bugged me. You could like not walk in it. Then he moved out, and I don't even know, I think my mom took one of the TVs out, and then the desk, it was like falling apart, so she took it out. So that's how it got to the point when you see the other clip. Okay, so I am going to look for things for the room. My vibe for the room I think it's gonna be like pink and like princessy. So I guess I'm basically gonna get any like wall decor or pillows that are pink. So yeah, I'm at Goodwill. I don't know if I mentioned that, I forgot. Here's my Goodwill haul. My color scheme kind of left me while I was in there. But we have this picture of roses, and then we have 2 floral pillows, which maybe the other pillows can be pink in there, I don't know. Those can be like the accent ones maybe. And then I have this picture frame, and I'll figure out something to put in that. So now I am home. I have a pinkity drinkity, and I'm going to be making a mood board for the room. I should have started out with making a mood board because I feel like I've already lost sight of my ideas. We're hopefully gonna piece this together and make the room come together. I feel like it's probably gonna take a few weeks, but we'll see. So here's what I have bought so far. Now I'm gonna find stuff online to add. I feel like this is looking bad so far, but I know I'm gonna be able to make it look good at the end. I kind of want to do this, but I feel like I'm gonna mess it up, but I still think that I'm gonna put it on my mood board. Okay, I definitely could have photoshopped this better, but this is not even Photoshop. This is literally in a little thing. I cropped them all together. But so I think I want like a ruffly like type of like comforter, and then those are some pillows. I'll probably add some more. I feel like maybe I could add some like white pillows to like balance out the colors. There's the one picture I got. There's the other picture I got. There's a little canopy thing, so it's obviously gonna be like a little bit different than this, but I feel like it's starting to look good, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. So this is this wallpaper I want. It's actually really cheap for wallpaper. It's 47 cents per square foot. Most of the other wallpapers I was looking at were like $2 per square foot or like $1 per square foot, so this one is like really good. But I don't know if it goes with the vibe. I feel like maybe if I get white ruffly one instead of pink ruffly one, it will go with it more. Let me see. I don't know if this is coming together. I feel like once I get the wallpaper, I'll just like figure it out. Like I feel like I'll get like other items to make it come together, and I'll like figure it out. Like I'll get like some sunflower items or something. I don't know. Okay, this is another one that I was looking at. This one is technically less per square foot, but for some reason the total ends up more. I think that the roll comes with like less, if that makes sense. Like the roll comes with like less square feet than the other roll, so you have to buy like an extra roll for this one than you would have to buy for the other one. The room changed a little bit since my last tour around. Here is what it looks like now. Oh, for a while I was thinking, which I don't know if I'm gonna try to do it anymore, but for a while I was thinking that I wanted to move this bed against like there, and then move like that like over here. I don't know, maybe I'll try it. It's pretty heavy though, so I'm gonna try to see what I think would look better. Got this, and we've got this. I'm just like really drawn to the sunflowers. So I'm going to Five Below to get stuff to decorate the room. I think I want to get, what is that thing even called? Like the canopy thing to put above. And then I guess anything else I see that I think would fit there. Maybe a pillow or something, I don't know. Okay, here's the Five Below. Okay, I don't remember if I said this yesterday when I went to Five Below or not, but they didn't have the little canopy thing. But last time I was at Five Below, they did have it. I have this little pillowcase thing that I got, so I'm gonna cover one of the pillows with it. I honestly want to cover a lot of them because they're not matching my color scheme. This one I think is the most not matching my color scheme right now, so I'm gonna cover it with that one. I'm gonna shove like 4 pillows. Not 4. I kind of shoved like 3 pillows in there and made it like a jumbo pillow. I still want to move everything around, but I'm scared that I'm accidentally gonna like break the TV when I'm moving stuff around. I don't know, I might try it though. Okay, I moved stuff around a little bit, so this is how it looks right now. Da 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 da. So there's a lot of stuff on the floor and like a mess, but it'll get cleaned up eventually. I also said that I didn't want to paint and that I was just gonna take apart that ugly wallpaper, but I kind of want to paint the walls now. Probably won't, but I kind of want to. So now I'm going to dollar store hop for room decor. I know this sounds really cheap, but the goal of the room transformation is to transform it and not a lot of money, you know, like at least amount of money possible. And it's already gonna be over 50 because that's how much the wallpaper cost. So I got one thing. There are these pictures of flowers. It's like in like a pack, so, and they're like sparkly, and it says it cost $7, but it was half off, so I paid even less. Okay, now I'm gonna go to Dollar General, so we'll see. Also, I forgot to mention this, but a man let me go in front of him in line. Use the patriarchy to your advantage, ladies. Okay, so now I went to Dollar General. Dollar General sucks, by the way. Dollar General is the worst dollar store. But this is the painting. It was really pretty when I first saw it. Then after I started staring at it in the store, I was like, I feel like it's like weirdly out of focus, but it's still kind of cute from afar. So here's the final room transformation.
Every little thing you say or you do got me feeling like everything is brand new. I just sit and wonder why I can't believe that I'm your guy. Just say my name and I'll come through. Oh, great.
Hopefully the thunder behind me isn't too loud. So this room transformation was a lot pricier than my last one. My last room transformation only costed $30. This one costed a lot. The wallpaper alone costed like $50, and then the bed sheet costed like $20. It was from Walmart. The paint costed I think probably another 20 or 30, I'm not sure. The things I hung on the wall, they were all from Goodwill or dollar stores, so they costed like maybe like 20 altogether. Plus the pillows. We also got some curtains that cost a little bit. So yeah, this was definitely more pricey than my other one, but I do like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat, because I had every single person back. And my goal of the year is to hit 30,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say. So goodbye.